type of houses, and I told you that there are two types of houses which is given is in your book. Number one is कच्चा house, number two is पक्का house. ठीक है? कच्चा house is made up of mud, bricks, straw and bamboos. ठीक है? And पक्का house is made up of cement, steel, iron, glass and bricks. ठीक है? The drawbacks of a कच्चा house, the difference between a कच्चा house and पक्का house is that कच्चा house is not the strong ones. कच्चा house can collapse easily in front of the heavy rainfall or in front of the strong wind. Okay, कच्चा house is not a strong one. पक्का house is very strong. पक्का house can survive strongly in a heavy rainfall condition or in a strong wind condition. ठीक है? Okay. Now, in the people, those who are living in villages area, they are making kacha houses. But nowadays, the villagers also can understand that the pakka house is quite good for them, so they also starts making the pakka houses in villages also. ठीक है? अब कच्चा house we can see in the villages area, pakka house we can see in the cities and the big शहर and towns and cities. ठीक है? अब apart from these two houses, ये दो हाउस के बारे में आपकी बुक में लिखा है. Apart from these two houses, I will tell you some more types of houses also, है ना? Some more type of houses. ठीक है? Some more types of houses. So in that today we will discuss a tree house. A tree house. ठीक है? Now this question is clicking is your mind that ma'am, what is a tree house? I haven't seen a tree house. We haven't seen a tree house. So can you please tell us, can you please explain us what is a tree house? Can you do the explanation what is a tree house? Okay. So tree house means first I will try to draw that picture. I will try to draw that picture of the house that we can found on the trees. That we can found on the trees. So little bit these kinds of little picture, little slightly. So these types of houses. These types of houses is on the tree, that is called a tree house. Up we cannot make a tree house on a small plant. No, we can't, because a small plant cannot hold the weight of this wood house. है ना? जो ट्री हाउस के ऊपर जो घर बनता है, that is made by the wood. है ना? That is made by the wood only. ठीक है? Understand? समझ में आया कि this is made by the wood only. Okay? And tree should be strong. question that, ma'am, what is the meaning of tourist? So beta, tourist means person, those who are coming on that particular place for roaming purpose in all over the part of our country. That is, or apart from the country also. It is not necessary that person belongs the country only. No, it can be foreigner also. Okay. So persons, those who are coming for roaming purpose in any particular place from the different place, that person is called the tourist. So this tree houses especially made by the people because they wants to attract the tourists. They wants to get the attraction of a tourist. Okay. So these types of houses are made to attract the tourist persons, right? Now, we will discuss on these types of house. This is the tree house. Okay. Have you ever visited the mountain areas or the hilly kinds of areas? Those people, those who are living on mountain areas, they are using the big blocks. They are using the big blocks to make the house, and these types of houses are called Eskimo. These types of houses are called Eskimo. So Eskimo is also a kind of a house. Eskimo is also a kind of a house. People, those who are living in hilly areas, on mountain areas, okay, on plateau areas, they are making Eskimo kinds of houses, and these types of houses is made up with the big blocks. Okay? Understand about those houses? Acha, these Eskimo types of houses is especially made on those places where is heavy rainfall. जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश होती है या जहाँ पर बहुत ज़्यादा snowfall होता है, on that places these types of houses are made up on those areas. ठीक है? Understand this much? इतना समझ में आया? Hope you can understand in a better manner. Okay, now it's time to discuss about the types of roof. So take out page number 24 and paragraph number 2. Now we will discuss on types of roofs. Okay. Now we will discuss on types of roofs. ठीक है? अब let's see first what is written about the roofs is in your book. Then first we will read. You all will read along with me. Open your EVS book. Take out page number 24 and read along with me. Then step by step I will make you understand. Okay. So paragraph type of roofs. Number 1. There are mainly two types of roofs in our houses. There are mainly two types of roofs in our houses. Number 1, a flat roof. Number 2, a sloping roof. So how many types of roofs are there? So there are mainly two types of roofs. Beta, there is no chalk in the room, so I am going and bringing some chalks. Wait for me. next to my classroom. So now there are two types of roofs. ठीक है, there are mainly two types of roofs. Number one is flat roofs. Number one is flat roof. And number two is sloping roof. Number two is sloping roof. These are the types of roofs. These are the types of roof. Okay? But do you know that houses made up of according to their climate and condition. ठीक है? Houses always see. Tell me something that when you will visit to your relatives, to your friend's house, ठीक है, to your papa's colleague's house, have you ever seen that the same kinds of houses? No. Houses cannot be done by the same kinds. Always house is made a different types which is required of our needs. ठीक है? So flat roof and sloping roof. These are the two types of roofs. First tell me something that Khargone is a very plain area. ठीक है? Right now I am giving you a small example so you can understand in a better manner. Right now I am standing on a plain surface. ठीक है? Right now I am standing on a plain surface. जहाँ पर मैं खड़ी हूँ that is a plain area. ठीक है? So pupil, those who are living in plain areas, those who are those who are living in plain areas, they always use flat roof, है ना? They always use what type of roof? Flat roof. ठीक है? Flat roof means the plain kind of roof. ठीक है? Flat roofs. ठीक है? Right now we all are living. See, all maximum numbers of human beings are living in plain areas, in मैदानी इलाका, जिसको हिंदी में we can call it the मैदानी इलाका. ठीक है? So maximum numbers of people are living in मैदानी इलाका. Those who are living in मैदानी इलाकाs or plain areas in English, they always use flat roof. Roof यानी क्या होता है? Roof यानी होता है छत. ठीक है? Roof यानी होता है छत. In Hindi we can call it छत, and in English we can call it roof. ठीक है? So pupil, those who are living in plain areas, they always use flat roof. Flat roof means this type of roof. Today you will go on your terrace. अभी देखो मैं क्लासरूम के अंदर खड़ी हूँ तो जो छत मुझे दिखाई दे रही है that is called roof. और जब हम इस छत के ऊपर चले जाते हैं then we can say that is the terrace. जब वो छत नहीं रहकर terrace हो जाता है. ठीक है? जो हमें नीचे अंदर से दिखाई देता है वो रूफ होती है, जब हम उसके ऊपर जाते हैं तो होता है वो टेरेस. So we all are living in plain areas, so we all are living the flat kind of roof. बिल्कुल चपटी सतह की छत हम लोग यूज करते हैं. We can walk nicely on that roof. We can do exercise on that roof nicely. We can do lots of work on that roof because our roof is very flat. Samtal level. It is equal from all the sides of houses. It is equal from all the sides of houses. ठीक है? अब now all the pupils are not using the flat roofs. Keep this thing is in your mind that all the people are not using the flat roofs. Then what they are using? हमेशा स्लोपिंग रूफ ही बनाते हैं. यू कैन सी द एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन इज इन योर बुक. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ स्लोपिंग रूफ. दिस इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ sloping roof. Because sloping roof, why people are using sloping roof? Because on mountain areas there is much of snowfall, and suddenly small snowfall can come at any time, at any place, and at any weather. So people, those who are living in mountain areas, on hilly areas, they always make their roof on sloping type, on sloping shape. So whatever snow will come, all the snow will fall down. ठीक है. जो लोग पहाड़ों पर रहते हैं बेटा, वो हमेशा ही दी स्लोपिंग रूफ बनाते हैं. उससे क्या होता है, उससे जो भी बर्फ गिरती है वो घर की छत पर इकट्ठी नहीं होती है, वो पूरी ढलान से बह जाती है. Suppose if people will make the flat roof on the mountain area, then what will happen? Suppose people, those who are living in mountain areas, they will make the flat roof. Then what will happen when snowfall will come, when heavy rainfall will come? Then what will happen? What will happen? Have you ever think that? कभी सोचा? Have you ever had a discussion with your parents? Have you ever had a discussion with your teacher? No. So I am telling you that if they will make the flat roof, so all the snow will collect on that roof. So what will happen? And it is very difficult to remove the snow. बारिश के पानी को तो we can remove from the wiper. We can remove from our legs. And wiper is the nice equipment to remove the water on the roof, but it is very difficult to remove the snow from a plain roof. It is very difficult to remove the snow from a flat roof. Very difficult. ठीक है? So that is the reason people, those who are living in mountain areas, all hilly areas, they always make the sloping roof. So whatever snow will come, whatever heavy rainfall is there, it will not gather on the roof. It will not gather on the roof. If roof is flat, so all the snow will gather over there. If roof is flat, then all the snow will gather on the roof. So it is very difficult to remove all these snow from that flat roof. ठीक है? That is the reason in mountain areas people always make the sloping roofs. So whatever rainfall is there, whatever snowfall is there, that will slope down. That will slope down. Okay? Understand? Now we will discuss on page number 25 some temporary houses. कुछ temporary house के बारे में we will have the discussion. ठीक है? Temporary houses. What is the mean by temporary houses? This is all about the roofs. Hope you understand well. अच्छा ठीक है, टेम्परेरी हाउस के बारे में हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में डिस्कस करेंगे, क्योंकि उसके बाद आपका चैप्टर लगभग ऑलमोस्ट फिनिश हो जाएगा. ठीक है? टेम्परेरी हाउसेस वाला डिस्कशन वी विल डू लेटर ऑन. ठीक है? सो टुडे whatever we had discussed, whatever discussion we had, understand all this discussion. temporary means not permanent. Temporary means for a short time of period. When we will heard this word temporary, so we can say that short time of period. ठीक है, temporary means the short time of period. So some houses, some people like to live in temporary houses also. Some people like to live in temporary houses also. So in this, as in your book, there are some pictures of temporary houses are given. In your book, some temporary houses pictures are given over there, and we will had our discussion in the next class. Next class में हम इसके बारे में पढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? In next video I will finish your entire chapter. Next video में आपका पूरा chapter finish हो जाएगा, ठीक है? So till then, bye bye. Have a nice day. God bless you. And I think this learning is enough in this class. Hope you are enjoyed your learning. And a small homework I am giving you, because last 2 classes से मैंने आपको कोई homework नहीं दिया है. Your homework is paste the pictures of different houses. Your homework is paste the pictures of different houses in your EVS notebook. This is your homework. I am giving you this homework to you. Hope you will do the, because Abhyanshi Gehlot, Pratmesh Arya, Om Kamble, Kashvi Mahajan, and Avika Solanki, right? Only few students, they are sending me their replies. Sometimes I cannot understand why you all are not trying. So try to send me your